Hey! This is an unboxing of the King Arms m79 grenade launcher. Let's see what there is inside this box. Oh yeah! I have mounted a sling, but else here you got this beautiful replica made by King Arms. It's all wood and real wood and metal. This one was a little bit crooked, so I have aligned this a little bit better. There's some scratches on this side from when they peed the pen in. Let's see. Yeah, you can clearly see these marks. That's a bit sad, I think. I have wrote to King Arms and asked about, is this your standard? And yes, this is your standard, because they do not reply your mails. But yeah, I got a little certificate. It tells how and who that has made the control check on this one. And I will say that the quality is good, but this one I could be without. I don't like scratches. I like to do the scratching myself. But let's take a closer look at this one. A nice rubber buttstock in the end. And a nice piece of wood. And this one is no rifling, but there's some lines in the barrel. And you got the sound, and gonna work very well. There's a little bit of waffle, but I will fix that. I will replace this bolt and get rid of it. And yeah, there's plenty of room to install a spring if you want to have it spring opened like the original. This one can turn to one side, so you can use it for left, and the other side if you use it for right when you got gloves on. And this is a very nice feature. It's very well made. The is okay. The finish is okay, and the side is just a dummy, but you can unscrew it and do like this. The original one, you should use this one to get it up and down. But yeah, it's all aluminium, so it feels good. And I very much like this model. It's a classic model, I think. But yeah, that was the King Arms. No markings of any kind. There's some on-off fire and safe in the top, so you cannot fire it. You have to click it to fire. Or else I don't think there's any markings, no BBs markings or no something. It's totally without markings. But it's well made. If you can get it, it costs around 400 euros or something like that in Europe. This one is bought in Europe for my own money, and I gonna weather it, I think, and make it into something nice. But for now, this was the unboxing. We're gonna take some other videos. We're gonna shoot them. I got a couple of more grenade launchers coming up in the next couple of days. So yeah, nice toy for paintball and airsoft, home defense, if you like. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you want more content about this gun, send me a message or leave a comment. That's all for today. Can you have a nice day? Bye bye from Denmark.